Oga, I gave you my wedding clothes for over a month now, and you're still not ready. Why is that you tailors always disappoint and never keep to time?
Please, I'm sorry. My apprentice never come work since. Trust me, I go deliver, I beg.
Oga, you will not like me if I come back here and my clothes are still not ready.
Okay, sir.
So Rafa, wetin happen?
Now my customer wey he wedding be this Saturday. Clothes wey give me so, I never fit sew them finish. The workload just too much. You better make I comot o. I say they come beat me for shop.
Take
Wetin e be?
Predator energy drink. This one na the correct energy drink. E no be like all those energy drink wey dey give you energy. This one will give you the better energy of a lion to conquer. And e get correct taste. It's just 200 naira. Yeah, I like it.
Where are my clothes?
And then be that.
Brother Solo?
I won't do extra work for you. See this fine gown. If na girl be say una come born, I swear for you for free.
How much do I add to your balance?
Oh, customer. Just give me small thing. Make I take buy my favorite energy drink.